Hi, number 2 is plyo jumps or plyometric jumps. When doing plyo, avoid that when you arrive, in this case with the legs, when you arrive that the heel does not touch the ground. So it's using the body weight and the motion to increase the load on the legs, okay? And for that we need to use always spring motions, okay? Always loading it and unloading. You're gonna use the bag, throwing it down. I can do it from here. Always securing that the feet touches the ground and comes up, okay? So let's follow the lead from here, maintaining the upright position. And again. Again. And again. Take the breaks that you need. Upright position, hands up, short cycle with the legs. That's it.